Hey yo, what's up guys? Back with another episode today. So a few days ago I picked up a new bike. So here's the old one right here. We have the old mini bike. So right now it's stripped down, we're painting it. Here's a quick update on it, but then we have upgraded into a bigger bike. So let me bring you guys to see it. So here's the reveal for the bike I got. The Kawasaki Z125 Pro. So many of you may be wondering why I got a Z125 Pro instead of like a 300 or a Ninja. But I thought, hey, why not just get a smaller bike, mess around with it, and then later on get a bigger bike? Or, you know, this might be just something I want to do for once and then get it out of my bucket list. But that would be cool just to get a bike. And look at that color though. Like in the sun, it looks very good. I don't know if you can see on camera, but you can see the pearls. It's getting closer. Let's see. I don't know if you can see the Pro, but this bike looks so good. So I rode the bike for a couple days already. I had a lot of fun. I went out with the Secret Gang. We went out to row into some parts of the city to get some shots, and also I got some shots for them. So enjoy the footage I have, and I'll see you guys later. Also, I wanted to mention that I'm planning on doing a build series on this, like adding maybe stuff like exhaust or extra accessories on this bike so that we can, you know, make this thing look cooler since it's already just stock. But I already have some plans for it, so.
This guy Timothy, he really done did it. He really done did it.